All right, how's it going, everybody? This is Mr. Bonhomme. I'm going to do a little bit of two-digit adding using base 10 blocks and then, standard algorithm, the traditional way that a lot of parents are familiar with. But I'm going to show you why it actually works and how to break it down. Here, we have unit cubes. These represent just the number one, right? So we have 1, 2, 3. And then these long rods, that's what we call them, they represent 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, because there are 10 of these smaller cubes that fit into these rods. All right. So here, let's count out this number. Let's figure out what we have. But we're going to add both sides together. All right. That's the addition sign. Here we have 1, 2, 3. So in the ones place, I could put 3. And then we have 10, 20, 30, 40. This actually is 40. Oops. Sorry, y'all. This is 40. This is 3. All right. I'm kind of push this down, but together it would be 43. Cool. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be 8. I'm going to write it up here also. Number 8. And then I have 10, 20, 30, 30, 30, and an 8 is 38. So I'm going to be adding 43 plus 38. We always want to start with the ones first. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll do it in a traditional way also, where it looks vertical, up and down, so you can see that as well. It'll go something like this. Hopefully everybody can see. So 43 plus 38. Put that line there. Sorry. 43 plus 38. Make some space for that line. We know these are the ones. These are the tens. Okay? It starts to make a lot more sense. Here we go. First, we're going to add the ones. 3 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. It gives us 11. But we can't put that down there, right? We know that we have to carry and bring a 10 over. But this is how it actually works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 ones now become a 10 rod. Just put it over here. Boom. And what am I left with? I have just 1. That's why we have 1. Now we have this extra 10 because we had those 10 ones that we turned into a 10 rod. And that's where this 10 will come from, right? We put the 1 up here, but it's actually a 10 because it's in the tens place. Now we can count out the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We would put an 8 up here, but that 8 is really an 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 43 plus 38 would be 81. We did some two-digit adding where we had to bundle and bring a 10 over into the 10th place, and we also showed it with the base 10 blocks. On top of that, another way of doing this is by expanding it, stretching it out. It would be 40 and 3, 30 and 8. You would just add that up. 3 plus 8, like we already did. We found out it was 11. 40 plus 30. 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus this 30. 50, 60, 70. 70. And then you add 70 plus 11. that we'll keep it for another lesson. That's expanded edition. But just practice this 2-digit adding using base 10 blocks, unicubes, and also how it kind of connects to the more traditional way of bundling up. All right? Peace.